Good day, everyone. Today we will be talking about the Philippine president from Ramon Magsaysay to Ferdinand Marcos Jr.
Ramon Magsaysay made his mark as the Philippines' Secretary of National Defense during one of the country's most difficult times. The Hukbalahap rebellion was spreading, fueled by poverty and injustice. Unlike other officials, Magsaysay realized that winning the fight couldn't be achieved.
Carlos P. Garcia became the 8th president of the Philippines in 1957, championing economic independence through his Filipino First policy. He prioritized local industries, reducing foreign influence on the economy. His administration also strengthened cultural identity and opposed excessive foreign intervention. Despite his nationalist stance, he lost re-election in 1961. Garcia's legacy remains tied to his vision of economic self-reliance and patriotism.
Si President Diosdado Macapagal noong December 30, 1961 sa Quirino Grandstand, sa harap naman ni Chief Justice Cesar Bingzon. We must help bridge the wide gap between the poor man and the man of wealth, not by pulling down the rich to his level as communism desires, but by raising the poor up towards the more abundant life. This is democracy's supreme endeavor. Ang una namang inaugurasyon ni Pangulong Ferdinand Edralin Marcos Sr. ay ginanap din sa Quirino Grandstand noong December 30, 1965 sa harap ni Chief Justice Cesar Bingzon, isa sa hindi makakalimutang linya ni Pangulong Marcos. This nation can be great again, and I have told you, each generation writes its own history. Our forebears have written theirs with fortitude and excellence. We must write ours. Maging ang pangalawa niyang inaugurasyon ay sa Quirino Grandstand noong December 30, 1969 sa harap ni Chief Justice Roberto Concepcion. Sa ikatlong termino, nanumpa siya noong June 30, 1981 sa Quirino Grandstand pa rin at sa harap ni Chief Justice Enrique Fernando. Pebrero taong 1986 sa ika-25 ng Marso nang dalawa ang nanumpa sa pagkapangulo, si Ferdinand Marcos sa Executive Building sa Malacanang sa harap ni Chief Justice Ramon Aquino. Samantala, si Corazon Aquino naman ay sa Club Filipino sa San Juan kay Associate Justice Claudio Tejanque.